Charles Graham is a Democratic member of the North Carolina General Assembly. He represents the 47th District of the North Carolina House of Representatives, comprises western Robeson County. A member of the Lumbee tribe, Graham is the only Native American currently serving in the General Assembly. In 2021, Graham announced plans to run for North Carolina's 9th congressional district against Republican incumbent Dan Bishop in 2022. Graham is a former member of the Election Law Committee in the North Carolina State House of Representatives and of the Subcommittee on Business and Labor in the North Carolina State House of Representatives. He also now serves on 7 legislative committees. He is vice chair of the Agriculture Committee. He serves on the Appropriations Committee. He serves as the vice chair of the Committee for Commerce and Job Development. He is a member of the Insurance Committee. He serves in the Subcommittee on Appropriations, Justice, and Public Safety. He serves in the Subcommittee on Education, K-12, and also in the Transportation Committee. During the 2016 legislative session, Graham was one of 11 Democrats to vote in favor of HB 2, the controversial bathroom bill. Media related to Charles Graham at Wikimedia Commons. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.